Something I noticed when I was going through and doing the numbering of the doors was that my closet down here doesn't have doors on it. So you're going to have to, uh, well, I'm going to have to put my doors on here. There is a folder that I have on the student share. I don't have it there right now. I've just got it here at my home. It's called Revit Downloads. And I'm going to double click in there. And in here, and these doors are from older versions of the software. And the reason that they're in here, and let me get this back up. Yeah, there it is. The reason that I got these doors, and by the way, there's the wheelchair circle that you can use if you didn't download it from the internet. The reason that they're here is because they happen to take them out of the software for some reason. Don't know why. There is a couple doors here. There's a bifold panel. Bifold means it folds in the middle. Two panel one. There's a four panel one. There's a different couple kinds of doors here, Georgian style. Then there's some windows also. Aluminum window with trim. There's a pocket door. There's two pocket doors. Those slide into a wall. And like I said, the wheelchair circle is here. So I'm going to use a two-panel door up here on this edge or on this part of the closet wall. And then I'm going to use a four-panel on this one. And I'm just going to drag and drop these onto the software. So I'm going to click and hold with my left mouse key, and I drop it, and it upgrades the file, and it should have put it right on there. What's going on here? And drag, and I'm going to drop, and it upgrades it. Didn't want to work. Let me try it with the four panel one. I tried it with the four panel one earlier, and it did exactly what I expected it was going to do. See, it upgraded the model. No, here we go. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit, and this puts it right pretty much in the middle. So that's the four panel door. Now, why the two panel one didn't work, I don't know. Try it again. Oh, I think it's going to work this time. Nope, it came in as the four panel. All right, so here's what we'll do. Instead, we'll go to Insert. Nope, that's not going to work. Architecture, component, architecture, component. Nothing's working right now. Hold on. I finally got it to work. I clicked on architecture and then I clicked on component. It took like 3 or 4 tries. I don't know why it wasn't working. I'm going to hit load family. And of course, there is no load family to this. So I've got to go to my computer, and what I want to be looking for here is everything's kind of being wonky right now. Documents. Cancel. All right. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, so you can put the two panel door in here somehow. I could, and have my closet doors. Now, that does affect, of course, my table. And it actually updates it automatically. You can see 48 by 84, 1 by 4 bifold 4-panel door. So I just dropped it in there, and it put it in there. What it did not do though is it did not tag it. So I have to go back to annotate, and I'm going to hit tag by category, And I'm going to click on this one right here. And there we go. There is the bifold door into the house.